Here we are, day 54 of our meat chickens. Not those, that's Duke there. That's Francis Patricia, that's Duke. Over there is Phoenix. Hi Phoenix. Hey there. Back to the meat chickens, who are looking a lot more like growing meat chickens at this point. Looking bigger, growing fast. There it is, day 54. All right, here are these meat birds on day 57. Take a look. They're eating. Oh, look at this one. Looking healthy and bigger. Chicken tractor number 2. We just did a weigh-in, and some of these are about 3 pounds, almost 3 pounds now. They've grown almost a pound in the last week, at least half a pound, 3/4 of a pound, almost a pound. It's been another 8 days. We're gonna do, or 7 days since the last weigh-in. We're gonna weigh a couple more of these meat birds and see how much they've grown. This one weighs in at around, coming up on 3 pounds. This one, oh, also coming up on 3 pounds, 2 3/4 pounds. Doing good, meaty. All right, day 61 on these Cornish Cross broiler meat birds. Take a look, see how they're doing. They're growing. They're hungry. They're hungry. There you go. I just wonder if any of you, like me, have thought, you know, what's it like for these birds in the adverse weather? We've had some high winds, not extreme winds like we've had before, but just wanted you to see that these birds seem really not too disturbed by it. They just look healthy and like it's not a big deal, really. So, little interesting tidbit about the chickens. Well, here's a little bit of a reality dose for our Farm Ranch Homestead. You might be able to see here, not that long ago, I did a chicken update over there. And this was not in the background. That's because this used to be like this, and now it fell down during this windstorm. That is a big tree. It's probably 80, 90 years old, maybe 70 or 80 years old. But that right there is a little bit of reality life on the Farm Ranch Homestead. All right, day 64 of the growing meat birds. Here they are. What are we at? 9 weeks. We're gonna weigh these birds also. Some of them are big and some of them are not so big. They're hungry. They're hungry right now. Tractor number 2. There they are. All right, so we're gonna weigh some meat birds. It's been 7 days since the last weigh-in, so we're gonna grab some chickens and weigh them. We're gonna start with the small one first. Then it's gonna select us a small one. Here's one of the smaller ones. They're hungry. This would be easier if we did it when they're just eating. Smaller ones at 2.5 pounds. Good. Hello, meat bird. All right, let's get a big one. And I'll try to put on there, I'll look up, we're on day 64. We're on day 64. So the last time we checked in, it was, what is that, 64 minus 7 days. 57, yeah, 57 or so. Here's one of the bigger ones. 3 pounds. Good. Do you think that's the... Grab the bird. Do you think that's the biggest one in there? You think that was one of the biggest ones?
Yeah.
Looks like we're around 3 pounds. I thought we were going to be higher than that right now. I thought we were going to be close to 4 pounds on some of them. We're not. Not yet. Okay, well, let's see. This one's close to 3.5 or so. Yeah, close to 3.5. That's a little better. Tractor number 2. Yeah, that one should be replaced probably. How about that big one right there? Looks big. Let's see. Tipping over 3 pounds. All right, let's grab another one. Let's see, how about this one right here? This one right here. That one seems like maybe looks big. Yeah, they're hungry. Oh yeah, so there we go. There's, don't touch the bucket though. Oh, that one's just tipping over 3.5 pounds. A little touch over 3.5 pounds. All right. Let's see, do we have any other big? Let's grab this tiny one right here. Let's grab this tiny one. Let's see. Biggest bird is about just over 3.5 pounds. And our smallest bird, wow, just tipping over 1.5 pounds. That's quite the difference there. Let's see. Yeah. That was probably the biggest one right there. Do you think that's one we measured? Probably, yeah.
I think we measured that one and that one.
Yeah, okay, sounds good. Well, there we have it. There's our meat bird weigh-in for the week. So it puts us, seems like we want to be 4, 5, maybe 6 pounds before butchering, for processing. I don't know if we're going to make it there before the cold weather sets in. So we'll see. We may end up with some smaller meat birds for this go around. Or we might get some great growth. Maybe we'll feed them a lot for the next 2 weeks and they'll just skyrocket. I don't know. Thanks for checking in.